How to activate two WhatsApp business accounts in one phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily activate two WhatsApp business accounts in one phone. So first things, just make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed your WhatsApp business application on your device, and just click on this device and open it. Open your application, WhatsApp business application, and just click on any of your phone number to sign in. As you can see, I've already signed in with my phone number, so it's showing me to sign in with my particular phone number. So it will send me the OTP to my registered phone number, so I'll just enter my registered OTP just like this and paste it over here and wait for some time. And once it gets downloaded, it will successfully transfer. If I have my WhatsApp account and WhatsApp business account in my same device, so it will just transfer for the progress for a while. And once you're on this page, you just have to provide your name just like this and enter your category just like this, and just click on next from over here for your business profile. And for now, I'll just skip this process. You may want to add if you want. So as you can see, I've been successfully logged into my WhatsApp business account with the first device. And now to use a different account, different WhatsApp business account, what you need to do is just head over to your Play Store and make sure you download this application called Multiple Accounts, which will allow you to use multiple accounts by creating a duplicate of the particular application. For example, in this scenario, we will use WhatsApp Business to make a clone of it and use two different accounts on two different WhatsApp Business application. So once it gets installed, simply click on continue and open the application, and from over here just click on plus button to make a duplicate or add to multiple accounts. So I'll just click on WhatsApp Business. So let me just select one. So as you can see, there's a WhatsApp Business application, so I'll just add it over here. So you have to wait for some time. So once it gets successfully cloned, now you can simply click on this agree and continue button, and you have to click on allow, and now you can simply add a new phone number over here and just follow the on-screen instruction for successfully continuing to a new or another WhatsApp business account. Now that you have created a clone of this, you can use multiple different accounts on using WhatsApp business application. So that is exactly how you can easily use or activate two WhatsApp business account in one phone. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.